Day 56, I will talk every day on camera until get fluency in English. Today I decided to get back to TOEFL speaking questions, like in previous videos. Do you prefer watching movies at home or in a cinema? I prefer watching movies at home for several reasons. First of all is that watching movies in a cinema, it costs some money, and it's getting more expensive and expensive every single year, the cost for watching movies there, and I don't like pay for movie there. Second reason is that right now I learn English and I always watch movies only in English. I don't like Russian movies. I don't watch Russian movies at all, only English. And in Russian cinemas you can't find movie in English. It is impossible. Obviously, comfortability also. I like being at home. I like watch movies in my laptop. It's perfect. I can bring foods. I can do whatever I want here. It's cool. In the second task, guys, was a text about that at university they decided to remove sculpture classes from the student schedule, like these classes at all, because it is not really popular among students to visit these classes, and it doesn't match with the salary what university has to pay professor who will teach these classes with the amount of students who gonna visit this class. It's not really profitable for university, but students think that it's not true. Students don't go to this class not because they're not interested in this, because they just don't have enough time, because students have a lot of requirements, courses what they have to complete, and don't have time just to go extra course. About salary, this is true, but anyway, university can find decision. For example, hire a part-time professor or suggest this job for another professor who's already been in this university, but he teaches art classes. Anyway, they think art teacher also will be good at sculpture. Next task: explain how the spread of internet memes like distracted boyfriend is a real-world example of the theory of memetics. Internet meme really popular, distracted boyfriends, when there is a couple, boyfriend girlfriend, and the boy saw another girl, beautiful, and he like turned away, look at her, and his girlfriend then not so really happy of the situation. This meme, this picture was appeared somewhere, then it was spread around the whole internet, around the whole world, and it was adapted to different situations, absolutely random situations in life. You can put the inscription in this picture and it's gonna be fun. And the theory of memetics is exactly about spreading information around the world, spreading trends, but sometimes these trends can be really staying in effect a long time, but sometimes they can die out really quickly. Last task, guys, really difficult lecture. I need to explain the concept of superconductivity and its applications. Alright, I will try. Superconductivity is a phenomenon when some materials can conduct electricity through themselves with a really low or without electricity resistance. It was like discovered in 1911 by someone really smart. Interesting moment that we can see superconductivity with this effect with really low temperatures, because some molecules inside the material they was underwent by the low temperature, and atoms inside them started interact with each other for some interesting way, and after this electricity atoms appears somewhere and go through the material without any resistance inside. Wow, it was cool. This first time when I speak English about physics, about science so deeply, about atoms, electricity. Yeah, alright, I need to be prepared to talk even about science. Alright guys, let's continue learning. See you tomorrow. Good day.